The cabin air filter in a 2007-2015 Lincoln MKX is crucial for trapping dust, pollen, allergens, and pollutants to maintain indoor air quality. To replace the filter, first locate the filter housing. For 2007-2009 models, it's typically behind the glove box. Later models from 2010 to 2015 might have access from under the dashboard on the passenger side. Use a Phillips and flathead screwdriver to remove any fasteners or clips securing the glove box or dashboard panel. Once the fasteners are removed, open the glove box or dashboard panel to access the filter housing. Once open, pull out the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrows. They point towards the cabin. Vacuum any debris from the housing before proceeding. Insert the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrows match the direction you noted earlier. Double-check the filter dimensions against your vehicle's manual, typically around 7.5 inches by 7 inches by 1.5 inches for a proper fit. Reassemble the glove box or dashboard panel, securing all screws and clips. Ensure everything is firmly in place to prevent airflow leaks, which can reduce AC performance. After reassembly, consider resetting any maintenance reminders via your vehicle's OBD2 scanner if needed. Regularly changing your cabin air filter improves air quality and HVAC efficiency.